Hey you guys, so I'm here at the house at the open house. It's been a very busy day. It's been nice to meet a lot of different agents and different buyers coming in to check out the place. I wanted to show you a little bit of the front of it, and more than anything I wanted to introduce you to my lender, to one of the lenders that I work with. He works with Fairway. His name is Todd Lodge, and you can see him right here. Hey Todd.
Welcome in.
So he came to, see the open house as well, and to support anybody that had any questions. And I thought that that was really nice for anybody that was here. But if you guys aren't here, then maybe you're not being able to ask some very basic questions for him. So I wanted to ask him in particular about you guys that are thinking about buying for the first time. And there's all these questions about, like, what is it about this down payment? How does it work? Well, he's here and he can tell us.
So first-time home buyers, down payment assistance is a great opportunity if you do not have the down payment or closing costs. The biggest thing is you have a 640 credit score. We work with a lot of different clients that need down payment assistance. So if you have any questions, give me a call.
Cool. He's very nice. He knows a lot, and there's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, and he knows them. So anyway, bye.